How to download Google Chrome on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Google Chrome on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So since I already have Google Chrome in my device, I'll just show you guys the way you can get Google. So first open up any web browser. You can open up Microsoft Edge and simply search for download Chrome. After you search for download Chrome, there you will see Google Chrome's website here. You can open that up. And after you open this up, you will see a download option load up. So wait, and there we go. So all you have to do is tap on this download Chrome button, which will just take you to this page and the download should start. And after your download starts, what you can do is you can actually just open it up and set it up. So if your download does not begin, you can just click on this link here to download Chrome manually, and there we go. So after this downloads, just click on it and set it up and you're good to go. And that's how you download Google Chrome on your PC. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.